Hello to all my technocrat friends, my would-be engineer friends, fresh IT professionals. Welcome to my channel. My name is Krishnakant Mane and I am myself an IT professional with over 16 years of experience. I have a passion in programming. So I started as a programmer, went on to become a project leader, a manager, then a director. And I thought it's very necessary to help out all my dear friends who want to climb the same ladder. And for that, the main purpose of this channel is going to be to give you all the power it needs to program on the job. You need to get your job done and you need to do it in a very specific amount of time. Well, a lot of you know me by the name KK, so therefore the name of this channel KK's Programming Hub. I'm going to just discuss today the way we are going to go ahead. Of course, there will be a lot of tutorial series which I'm going to do, and there will be webinars which I will be offering, wherein these series can prove to be complementary. But of course, you may or may not do those webinars, but these series are also going to be good enough. Now let's talk about the way we are going to achieve what we wish to achieve together. We need to be very specific. We need to be very much in context. And everything that I'm going to share with you is always going to be in relevance with what we are trying to learn. It's not that we won't talk about theory. The theory will be discussed, but the theory will always be discussed with its application. In fact, many a times I will tell you how a certain thing is applied in solving problem and then give you the theory behind it. This is very important, friends, because I have myself learned programming the way you guys have all learned. And often we feel so boring when a professor talks about the theory. I remember those days in pointers and stuff like that. And that makes it so boring. While on the contrary, it turned out to me that pointers were the most interesting concepts. Well, I'm not going to talk about pointers. I just wanted to give an analogy of how important it is to first understand the application and then talk about the theory. There are some people who don't want to talk about the theory at all. Well, I think that's also wrong, because the theory goes in a long way to help you to understand some things. Amongst those things, the most important thing and the very purpose why I have chosen to do this web series is that you can Google around and find all sort of syntax which you need. But they will teach you what and how. What I am going to share about is why of a certain thing. And I am able to do it because I will be sharing the journey of my experiences along the way in my career. And that is going to, I believe, be a great help. And I will be very happy if it is so helpful to you all. So I'm of course going to start with Python as the first lecture series, and I'll be making those announcements on my Facebook page as well as with the channel. So meanwhile, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because the moment you subscribe to this channel, your subscription will get you all the updates, and I'm very sure you're going to have a great time as much as I'm going to have sharing my knowledge and getting you up to speed in the least possible amount of time. Until the next lecture, goodbye and happy coding.